Hey guys, I'm back with another simple, easy and powerful binary option strategy that anyone can use right after watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And one thing that I always tell in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you learn, either from YouTube videos or from any paid course, firstly test that strategy properly in your demo account. And if you think that strategy is working for you, then only go with the real account. Always keep that thing in your mind. And this strategy that I'm going to show you about binary options is inside this pocket option. So in case if you don't have an account on pocket option, then what I will do is I'll give you a special link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and create your account on pocket option, and you will automatically be eligible to get a 50% deposit bonus inside this trading platform. Not only that much, you will keep on receiving further more deposit bonuses while you keep on depositing in this platform. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is you need to select the candlestick time frame to S5. So S5 means 5 seconds. Every candle is forming in this here are of 5 seconds. Now another thing you need to do is, firstly, if there is flag, okay, just select it and just click on it and make it clock, okay, and you will be eligible to get this S5, okay. That means your trading time frame will be in 5 seconds. So if you made a trade now, then within 5 seconds it will close, okay. And in case if you make this clock and you don't see S5, that means that asset will not allow you to trade on 5 second time frame. So let's just select 5 second time frame here. And as you can see, here is our indicator already an indicator is applied. So let me cut it, okay. So the indicator that we are going to use for this strategy is called RSI. So let's search where RSI is. Let's click on this RSI, okay. And you don't need to make any changes in this variable, okay. Let it be 14 period. It's fine, okay. So now most people will tell you that whenever this comes below and it start to move up, make trade by clicking on higher. And whenever this is at above and it start to fall down, then you need to click on lower. But in this strategy, we are not going to do that. Instead, what you are going to do is, so you need to search for places, okay. Let me show you a proper place firstly. So here you can see this market is constantly consolidating at this place, yeah. In this place, whenever this market does this in this lower line, anywhere near this lower line or below this lower line, okay, then you start to make trade by clicking on lower, okay. Similarly, whenever this market is consolidating at this above, okay, as you can see, then you need to make trade by clicking on higher by using this RSI indicator. So for example, let's say if this market is hovering only over here, then what you can do is you can just select the investment amount and make trade by clicking on lower, and most probably your trade is going to be right in this context, okay. So as you can see, I have already made the profit. So always search for places where the market is consolidating in this RSI, okay. It is being down or above, and then make trade by clicking on higher. That's it guys. Strategy is extremely simple. Make sure to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.